James Charles's oldest video. Welcome to my YouTube channel with your girl Oyelami Oyoluwa. Today we're going to be doing a reaction video and I'm like super excited.
Wow, I'm so happy. Like, I'm mad, oh, I'm happy.
I didn't really watch this video, I just like watched the beginning, but I feel like it's going to be interesting. I hope you guys like it and subscribe, like, drop a comment. Also, apart from doing a reaction video, we are also going to try to probably modify the look a bit and create our own style. So let's get straight to the video. Okay, so we are going to blend that in. I noticed that if you use a beauty blender, it end up like taking in a lot of foundation that you're supposed to use on your face. But when you use it after you're done using your foundation brush, it like just helps you to like blend in the foundation well and keep it inside your skin. I don't know if you understand, but that method is not bad. You guys can see that I was actually able to control the amount of foundation I put on my face. If you guys want to go with this method, you can just like try to count the amount of spots or foundation you put on your face, so that it doesn't look like foundation is more at this side and it just less at this side, because that can be somehow. So you try to like blend in everything, and in the case of foundation being more here than here, just try to like blend everything evenly into your skin. It will adjust, but for beginners I wouldn't really advise you do that if you're a beginner, or if you're a pro.
Greater you are, powerful your name, the Royal Highness.
Okay, so we're going to try to do something like this. Oh, it's going up here and like this down here. You did stroke, stripe. Right. Hey. You now do like this. You now do stripe on the nose. I'm going to blend it in like this. Ah, God, I don't know if I want chance. I'm going to blend this in very well because this is like a lot of concealer.
6.5 hours later.
Let's do this. Okay. Let me use my powder brush to blend everything. People will see that it's not good. See, now. Notes. It's because I am light skin. That's why I can use translucent powder like this. Like this. And I do like this. Ah, no. He did it up like this. Up. In 2022. And you're still doing your makeup like this.
To fix my problem.
Let me go and cover with my brow. Light, medium, dark. brown. More light medium dark brown. Wait till you see light. Ah. So this is the light brown I'm using. This kind of medium, and this is like the darkest. We're trying to make the edges as dark as possible. Let me turn it on spray so that the spray. Okay, so we dust this off finally.
Blind everybody walking by.
Blind your
I always highlight my
enemies.
cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow, just because I.
God, I really don't know about this.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
No. I would rather rock this simple this simple lip. Are you guys seeing this beauty? Are you guys seeing it? Subscribe, like, and drop a comment.